Okay, if this found you on December 2nd, this is your reading. And as I'm channeling a message from Spirit, I'm hearing sliver of hope. So it makes me feel like whatever situation you have going on right now, it's looking dire, but you have a sliver of hope. For some people, I feel like this is a medical thing. And I'm not trying to scare anyone. This is something that you know about already. But that sliver of hope is there for a reason. And Spirit is kind of shining a light on the fact that there is a sliver of hope. For some of you guys, this is a relationship that you're in. Look, I just split the deck and there's the Four of Wands. So Spirit's wanting to focus on the stability, the security. Are we ever going to get back to how things used to be? Yes. The answer is yes. Yes, it is. And I feel like it's going to be better than it was before. And I feel like everything that you're going through, it was like a blessing in disguise. Like you didn't know what was going on at the time, but Spirit said, this is supposed to happen. You guys are messing it up because you got your different things going on. But guess what? We are going to go in and do like this psychic surgery. So it's like Spirit is like, I'm going to put you through these situations. And I'm going to put you through these situations. And eventually, through these different situations that you guys are going to go through, your perspectives will change because, you know, whenever we live contrast, we know more of what we don't want, more of what we do want. We also know more of who we are. After that's happened, you guys are becoming more and more and more in tune with each other. So these things had to happen over here. Even though these things seemed like they happened to tear you apart, they actually were happening to bring you back together. Because look at all the things that could have torn you guys apart. There are many things that a lot of other people would have called quits over, but you guys didn't. These things that were happening were meant to bring you closer together. There will be a rhyme. There will be a reason. You will understand it one day because hindsight's 20/20. But I do feel very strongly like things are not just going to get better, not just going to get back to how they used to be, but they're going to be better than they could ever be. Okay, we do have the Five of Pentacles here. So I feel like some of you guys are using a distraction. Maybe it's drinking. I mean, he is in a bar, a little tiki hut bar. But I do feel like some of you guys are using a distraction. And Spirit saying, if you use the distraction, the growth and the healing will just be prolonged. It's not that it won't happen, but it'll just be like, how long you're going to let this go on for? 20 years? If you want to distract yourself for 20 years, it's going to take 20 years. Or you can be in the moment, be in the now, work on things, face the problem head on, and things can be healed within 5 minutes. So what are you going to do? 5 years, 5 minutes. 50 years? The choice is yours. But Spirit's saying, this is the person you're supposed to be with, and you're going to have to figure this one out because, and you will. You will. It's just a matter of when.